Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is specifically made for you if you want to learn how to put a password on your PDF. It is also made for you if you just want to allow a selected group of people to have access to your PDF and not everyone. If you just want to watch this tutorial for fun, you are very welcome too. Now let's get straight to the tutorial. So let's start by going to our browser. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Google Chrome. So we'll go to ilovepdf.com. Uh, so we'll look for one of his tools called Protect PDF. Click this. This is it here. We'll click it. So this is the tool from I Love PDF that we're going to use to protect our PDF. So we'll start by selecting the file we want to protect. Press select PDF file. I would like to protect the first PDF. I'll click it. So this is it. Then we'll press the settings icon to set our password. So let's set the password now that we'll use. So we have already set our password now. So let's click on protect PDF now that we're done. Now they said our PDF has been protected. Let's download protected PDF. So let's open it. Now you have it. Our PDF is being protected. I'll have to put our password now. Now I have access to it since I have the password for the PDF. So that's how to protect your PDF with password. Thank you very much for watching. Now try it. Let me know how it is for you.